Dogecoin is a decentralized and totally secure organization. It is intended to be a well-disposed, more receptive type of digital money that could arrive at clients put off by the cool intricacy of Bitcoin. Indeed, even its name is taken from a well-known web image. History of Dogecoin, which isolates Dogecoin from most other altcoins and the digital money market, is expansion as opposed to deflationary cryptographic money. Bitcoin and numerous other cryptographic forms of money are figured out to the point that they have a hard stockpile cap of monetary standards. Dogecoin's cost has gigantic potential. With the sort of popularity rising, Dogecoin's presence is tremendous, contrasted with different contenders. Utilizing Dogecoin needs no extraordinary preparation. Well disposed to utilize, it carries genuine worth to its clients. Storing your Dogecoin is presently simple. In this way, utilization of Dogecoin implies power and the possession of the client. The standard of any driving coin is the fame and fan wave that twirls around them. Similar holds at the cost of Doge, as the reception rate for Dogecoin is very high. This computerized money's dynamic and steadfast worth winds around a quality of the whole Dogecoin people group that places their confidence in it. The Doge wallet is a carefully facilitated capacity that will provide your resources with the most elevated level of safety that anyone could hope to find. The clients who own Dogecoin in their wallet can involve it for Dogecoin loaning. They need to give subtleties, wallet address, and open a record there. Dogecoin's all-out market cap is exchanging around $10,795,171,570 and is presently the 8th greatest computerized money on the planet. At present, the cost of Dogecoin is around $0.08138 with an exchanging volume of $354,383,286. The ongoing stockpile is at $132,670,764,300 Doge, while the absolute circling supply is $132,670,764,300. The general digital currency market capitalization has denoted a tremendous change this year, including the Dogecoin market cap. After the Doge's cost arrived at its ath, it denoted a monstrous fall over the long haul. Be that as it may, the ongoing Dogecoin cost developments have checked extraordinary changes as of late. The Doge cost developed over 100% in 7 days. The Doge's cost bankrupted the quick obstruction with next to no obstacles. It attempted to outperform the significant opposition of $0.1669 yet fizzled. Afterward, because of some benefit booking exercises, the Dogecoin Doge value began to exchange beneath the obstruction. Specialized pointers propose that the image coin needs a purchaser's help to start the positive excursion once more. Will Doge support the ascent? Everything started when Elon Musk fixed a $44 billion arrangement to assume control over Twitter. When this news was out, the Dogecoin Doge cost flooded nearly by 100%. It is on the grounds that Elon Musk has consistently upheld Dogecoin and considered it a group's coin on different events. Elon Musk's persistent help of tolerating Dogecoin as an installment for products and institutional reception has been useful to the coin. Numerous standard financial backers accept that Elon Musk will coordinate Doge into the working of Twitter in for sure. Financial backer feeling seeing the equivalent became more grounded as Musk declared that clients would need to purchase a $8 month-to-month membership for an authority blue tick. As indicated by the investigation, Doge's cost will maintain in the event that the hypotheses materialize. Dogecoin came to 11 cents, just with hypotheses. It will become one of the most amazing crypto resources. As per the Dogecoin value forecasts of the wallet financial backer, Dogecoin Doge may not be a wise venture, and they anticipate the Dogecoin Doge cost to be around $0.0773 in 2023. Though the specialized examination and Dogecoin value forecast of computerized coin cost recommend that the coin will go up to 21 cents in 2023. Dogecoin forecast 2023. According to the market opinion and future cost activity, the most extreme expected Doge cost may be around 25 cents, while the typical cost may be 19 cents, and the base cost may be 12 cents in view of our cost expectation. Dogecoin cost could have tracked down extraordinary help in a brief period after the ascent of this current year. Dogecoin expectations 2024. According to the Doge value expectation and specialized examination, the typical cost may be 23 cents in 2024, while Dogecoin's cost might arrive at a limit of 28 cents and at least 18 cents. Dogecoin value forecast 2025. According to our Dogecoin cost expectation for 2025, the coin could have a greatest and least market cost of around 39 cents and 25 cents, while the typical cost may be around 32 cents toward the finish of 2025. Dogecoin value expectation 2026. As per the Dogecoin Doge cost expectation, it might hit a most extreme cost of 45 cents and the base exchanging cost of around 30 cents for the year 2026. Simultaneously, the typical exchanging worth might be around 38 cents. A gigantic meeting is normal in Dogecoin's cost consistently. Dogecoin value forecast 2027. As indicated by our Doge cost expectation, it is normal that Dogecoin be valued at 51 cents, which likewise is the most extreme worth, while the base incentive for a similar period might be around 35 cents. Going against the norm, the typical cost of Dogecoin perhaps 43 cents. Dogecoin value forecast 2028. Indeed, even in the profoundly unstable crypto market, an image coin like Dogecoin might keep on demonstrating its worth even in the bear market. According to the Dogecoin Doge cost expectations, the coin could arrive at the most extreme worth of 57 cents with a base cost of 40 cents. Simultaneously, the typical cost can be 49 cents. Dogecoin value forecast 2030. In view of our Dogecoin Doge cost forecast 2030, we anticipate that the token should arrive at the most extreme and least costs of 71 cents and 55 cents. The typical cost might be around 63 cents with a respectable rate change for the year 2030. The market capitalization might have risen fundamentally continuously 2030. Dogecoin value forecast 2030. In view of our Dogecoin Doge cost expectation 2030, we anticipate that the token should arrive at the greatest and least costs of 71 cents and 55 cents. The typical cost might be around 63 cents with a respectable rate change for the year 2030. The market capitalization might have risen fundamentally continuously 2030. Will Dogecoin hit $1? As per our cost expectation and dissecting past execution, it seems to be the cost of Doge will take a piece longer to hit $1. Be that as it may, the costs will cross the $1 mark before the year's end 2035. Is Dogecoin a wise venture? Indeed, Doge is a wise venture, according to our Dogecoin value expectation and ongoing confidence. After Elon Musk purchased stakes in Twitter, the most recent Dogecoin news recommends that the commitment to the ascent of the Dogecoin digital money generally emerged because of Elon Musk's impact. Notwithstanding, financial backers are mentioned to do their own exploration to stay away from the high gamble engaged with Dogecoin. What will Dogecoin be worth in 2030? As per our Dogecoin cost expectation, the Doge costs might arrive at a limit of 71 cents by 2030, while the base and normal costs might be 60 cents and 66 cents separately. In any case, your speculation choices ought to be founded on your objectives. Where to purchase Dogecoin? To purchase Dogecoin, you have various choices like Dogecoin wallets, PayPal, and cryptographic money trades like Binance, Coinbase, Gemini, and some more. What will Dogecoin be worth in 2025? Dogecoin cost expectation for 2025 uncovers